Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 96, Blind. So this is another one of those lateral thinking puzzles that I've been presenting. Thank you for all the great feedback you've been giving me. Good luck with this one, and let's see how you go. Can you name something that has an eye but is unable to see? A clue will be given on the next slide. So in about 2 minutes time, I will give you a clue on the next slide if you need it. So try and solve it yourself because it's so satisfying. And the clue will come up in about 2 minutes time. Okay, as promised, here is your clue if you need it. Let's see how you went. So the puzzle was, can you name something that has an eye but is unable to see? And the clue is sharp. Now the answer is on the next slide. So in about 1 more minute, I will give you the answer, but see if you can solve it. This clue actually might help you. Okay, as promised, here is your answer. Let's see how you went. Can you name something that has an eye but is unable to see? And the answer is a needle. And the clue that I gave you was sharp. I wonder how you went with that one. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I'll go there right now.